Yes, so today we are very happy to bring to you one of our very fast baristas, Vinod. He's come to pick his certificate. We are happy.
Happy, madam.
You're also happy?
Happy.
Wow, that is good. Vinod, if you don't mind, you can let us know how you came to know of Jex Barista Training Institute.
My friend, this Roshan Parma coming here to before first, and he tell to me that I'm telling, and he tell I be confident, and I'm also same role partner, and I come here for to learn Jex Barista.
Wow.
And I find my friend, the teachers are lovely, good, cooperative.
Okay. And why did you choose to do barista anyway?
Huh?
Why you chose to do barista course?
Especially for we are before we try to Europe. For Europe, we take it for Europe.
Oh wow! You want to go to Europe?
Yes, and such job there coffee barista.
Okay.
That is why we first aim to learn here. We are coming here.
Okay. Oh wow, that is so good. So now I've gotten to understand why you really want to do this course.
Yes.
When we tell people that coffee is all around the world, they don't get to understand it. Now they are getting it from the courses now.
Coffee, this barista is good job, professional job. Come to Alberta, this Dera.
So you want everyone to come and train with us. We are
come
looking forward to see so many of your friends that are in your company coming to
coming and learn here.
Can you call them in your language?
They understand all are in Nepali. They understand English.
They understand English. Maybe a few words in Hindi.
Hindi also.
Yes.
Okay. Barista में आओ इधर अच्छा सा टीचर है सिखाएगा फ्रेंडली कोऑपरेटिव है कोऑपरेटिव है अलबरा बड़ा सिर दुबई डेरा
where Alvara had
Alberta
supermarket.
Alberta supermarket.
Yes, office 111.
Office 111. And this is my certificate. I got certificate of Jex Barista Training Institute.
And you're going to Europe.
And we are trying to go Europe
to get the job as a
to
barista.
Get a job as barista.
Wow. This is so great. We appreciate you, Vinod. We've been so much happy to have you with us, and we want to thank you for having chose to come and train with us at Jex Barista.
Thank you, madam.
Please. All right. Thank you so much.